What if practicing a new language felt as natural as chatting with a friend? Word Exchange Plaza gives you a space to practice conversations, guided by an AI instructor in a relaxed, pressure-free environment. A place where the spark of language ignites in ways never before possible. For the first time in history, you have the power to bring a virtual teacher to life, one that challenges and inspires students through your design. This is the moment where your decisions breathe life into a digital teacher that will forever change how students learn. We start by clicking Add Instructor. An instructor is the heart of Word Exchange Plaza. They engage students in conversation, making learning immersive and enjoyable. Start by giving your instructor a name. A simple first name works best. While most of these fields are optional, filling them in makes the instructor more realistic and natural in conversation. The description field is where you tell the AI how to behave. Think of it like giving instructions to an actor before they go on stage. If you want the AI to be a patient English teacher, you might write something like, "You are an expert at teaching English as a second language. You specialize in being patient and speaking clearly and directly." This helps shape how the AI responds. Without a good prompt, the AI might not focus on what you want. So think of the prompt as a way to program the AI's personality and purpose. The biography enriches the instructor's personality. A detailed backstory helps make the interactions fun and interesting. The example dialogue field helps you guide the instructor's responses. Providing a few well-thought-out examples ensures the AI stays in character. The reply prompt helps shape the instructor's responses. Want an instructor who always speaks in idioms, or one who corrects certain mistakes before continuing? This is where you define those behaviors. The reply prompt should explain the reasoning behind your example dialogue. Instructors can also be assigned an email address for one-on-one student interactions. If you need SMS capabilities, the Word Exchange Plaza team can help provide a Twilio number. Multiple instructors can share the same number. Here you choose a voice. You can add more voices from the 11 Labs Community Voice Library, or you can create a custom voice by providing Word Exchange Plaza with a sample of audio. Voices can be cloned from as little as 2 minutes of speech. Drop a pin or enter an address to set the AI instructor's location. They will be able to talk about their local weather and the region where they live. Upload a profile photo or generate one using OpenAI DALL-E 3. If you don't upload an image, you can select an avatar color instead. Once everything looks good, click Save to create your instructor. Now that we have an instructor, let's create an activity. Activities provide structured conversation topics for your AI instructors. From the dashboard, we click on Add Activity. Give it a clear name and assign it a level to help organize activities. These fields are only used in the admin interface. Use the Activity field to describe the activity in plain English. The AI instructor will use this text to introduce the activity and to decide when students have completed the activities. The Conditions field is used only when selecting a new activity. Here, you can set rules like, if a student struggles with pluralization, the system will assign this activity. Once a student completes an activity, it won't be repeated until all other activities in the classroom have been tried. You can also add an image and reference it in this field. Click the Save button and you're done. Next, let's set up a classroom. Click on Add Classroom. Choose a name and description. These are for administrative use only. Enter one email address per line for students who are allowed to log in. If a student doesn't have an email, you can use their SMS number instead. Select the instructors you want for this classroom. Choose the activities you want students to use in the classroom. Then click Save to finalize your classroom setup. Now let's create a chat room where students interact with instructors. Click on Add Chat Room. Give your chat room a name. This name will be visible to students. Set the location. This will be the unique web address where students join. It must be unique to the site and contain only alphanumeric characters. The description field helps AI instructors understand the room's purpose. Some rooms might focus on spelling corrections, while others emphasize grammar improvement. Assign the chat room to the classroom you just created. For moderation, the common bad word list filter works for most classrooms. Click Save and your chat room is ready. Teachers should provide students with the chat room's location so they can access it easily. Now for the fun part. Let's log in as a student and join a chat room.
Hello, Steve. How are you doing today? Ready to practice some English together? Here's an activity for us to start with.
The instructor engages naturally, guiding students through conversations.
We will make 2 sentences about the picture. First, describe something that is always true or happens often. Then, describe what's happening right now in the picture. For example, if the image showed someone painting, 1, she paints every weekend. 2, she is painting a beautiful picture at the moment. Go ahead and give it a try. If you need help with the picture, just let me know what you see there.
Let's try the voice input feature. He is playing guitar at the moment. He reads the newspaper every morning. Students can speak instead of typing, and the AI instructor will reply using a realistic AI-generated voice.
Great job, Steve. You've used both types of sentences correctly. Just to clarify, the first sentence, she is playing guitar at the moment, describes what she's doing right now. It's exactly how we say things are happening currently in English. The second sentence, he reads the newspaper every morning, talks about a regular habit or routine, and that's perfect too. Keep going with your practice, and if you have any questions or need more help, just let me know.
And that's it for part 1. In part 2, we'll explore how to invite students and manage advanced features. Stay tuned.